Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over the Knight AS2 by KR Sabers. This thing is incredibly small, very compact, and super user-friendly. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is the Knight AS2 by KR Sabers. This thing is just really beautiful. It's so thin, it feels great in the hand, easy to get all those digits around there. There's plenty of places to grip it, and the user or usability is just even better. The Saber's machined completely out of brass and is chrome plated. It's a fingerprint magnet, hence the gloves. But honestly, if this was a 1-inch blade, which it's not, it's a 7/8. If this was a 1-inch blade, I'd say this would probably be my favorite dueling saber, but I wouldn't try and duel with a 7/8 blade. Spinning, this will feel great. I mean, don't hit anything with it, like don't drop it, because obviously you're going to ding it up and it's not going to look as pretty anymore. But in terms of handling, I don't know if you can get any better than this hilt. Like, it's super nice. The activation box has a plunger system. So essentially this is held on with a magnet, and you have power right here. So it's the second bubble down, and then the fifth bubble from to the bottom is your auxiliary. The plungers actuate the tactile switches, which are mounted on a PCB on the inside of the chassis. So these buttons will get actuated by the plungers. It features a Goth ECO CC chassis, which houses 2 crystals with accent neopixels. We have 2 accent neopixels on a PCB up here, a stock eco connector, the 2 tactile switches on a PCB, 18650 high amp kill switch, 28mm bass speaker, and soundboard of your choosing. This one is a Proffieboard V3.9. I gotta get used to saying that. The Saber is incredibly easy to use. You just
my very soul, tormenting me.
You just flip the kill switch to the right, and you get access to all of the great features. So now the Saber's ready to be put back into the Saber. There's a flat here with in line with the switches. This goes back into the Saber with the switches facing the activation box. There is also a track system for the CoverTech wheel to stop it from twisting. And once that's in, you just put your pommel back on. So I have this programmed with a nice blinky setup right here. When you turn it on, red will stay on and green will blink rapidly. You've got your your main blade neopixel connector lit up. Smooth swing. And blasters on the auxiliary. Also twist to turn on and twist to turn off. This thing's real loud too. And then the Saber obviously can have multiple fonts. These sound fonts are all made by Kyberphonic. He's just the best. I love you, Jesse. Thank you for all of your hard work and dedication to accuracy. And just to further show that example, the Tusken Terminator font comes with the first font, the Anakin standard, so it's just a regular, lightsaber sound effects with blaster blocks. This is the scene from episode 2 where he slays all of the Tuskens. It's got an extremely evil hum. And the blaster blocks are the rifle shots from Tuskens. And the collisions are clashes hitting Tuskens. Really something else. So if this wasn't a dark enough build for you, I think that just set it over the top. So anyways, when you're done with the Saber, you just unscrew the pommel, dump the chassis, hit the kill switch, and now your battery is not going to die while it's on display on the shelf. The Saber, I also have this set up to go to sleep after about 10 minutes, so your blinkies and gestures will no longer be active. But with all that being said, I think that this is by far one of my favorite hilts to come out of KR Sabers this year. So don't sleep on this Saber. It is wonderful. And I'm thinking about picking one up for myself. This is going on the store. So if you're looking for one that's just done, look no further. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome installs like this guy here. I also, on my website, www.sabersforever.com, I have all of KR Sabers commissions available from ECO to ECO CC to Master Chassis. If you have any questions on how to commission a build that you can't find on my website, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com and I'd be happy to let you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. As for this guy, he's going to be available in the ready to ship section. It does not come with a blade, and if you do include a blade with the order, it will take an extra week to ship as I need to order the components in order to make the blade for the order. So just keep that in mind, and until the next time guys, may the Force be with you.